Hey folks, it's Randy Burdett with the Foxfire Realty team. We're over at Forest Hill, West Virginia in beautiful Summers County, West Virginia at the McNeer Homeplace. And this is on about an acre and a half right here off of Route 12. Beautiful location, great country farms over here. Amish community right here at Forest Hill. And I want to give you kind of a quick walking tour of this property. This beige color outbuilding is part of this, and then it has the basement there, and again, just wonderful countryside here. Look at that barn. And we got a maple tree here that's getting ready to come out. Looks like some other plant trees, maybe dwarfs. Great front porch here to enjoy the mornings, evenings, afternoons. We got concrete steps, sidewalk, paved drive, big garage. We'll do a whole walkthrough here, okay? We're going to come right in the front door. And then we'll take a left. This is the dining room. Beautiful chandelier, laminate floors. And right on into the kitchen. And this property has its own well and a septic system, dishwasher, electric range, microwave over top, lots of nice cabinet space, refrigerator, side-by-side door. We have French doors leading out to the mud room, utility room we could call it. Has an excellent garage. Look at all the space you have out here. And the garage has its own bathroom, half bath. How great is that? Here's a great little feature here. You have another exterior door to come and go in, passage door. And then some great storage in this room right here. Nice garage. Pull down attic access out here. Wonderful countryside. Over there, you got great cell reception here. There's the well casing sticking up. It has vinyl siding on the exterior. And we'll step into the living room here, and this is a big living room, folks. Has propane gas log fireplace. Down the hallway here, have a full bath. To the right here we have a bedroom, big closet in here. We'll get that open here in just a moment. There you go, big closet here. Okay, and then right across the hall we have our washer and dryer closet. Very nice outfit here. You have two closets here. You have a hallway closet, lots of good storage. And then the end of the hallway, storage in it. And here's the bedroom number 2. Another nice size, walk-in size closet. Ceiling fans. Now we'll go into the master bedroom and bath. This is very nice. I mean, very nice. double sinks, big bathroom here, big storage walk-in closet. This is really great. 200 amp panel, electric service. And then we have the shower stall and toilet in here. And what a neat place here, folks. So that's just a quick walking tour of the McNeer Homeplace. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. I'm Randy S. Burdett with Foxfire Realty at 304-667-2897. 304-667-2897. Richard Grist Broker, 1029 Washington Street East, historic Lewisburg, West Virginia, 24910. Thanks for watching.